proseso ay nakasaad sa Constitution, nakasaad po to sa rules which we adopted at the start of this term. It's the same rules that we adopted in the previous terms. Wala pong pinagbago yan. In fact, in the previous impeachment complaints, yan din po ang rules na ginamit nila. Why would we scale back just because a party is uncomfortable? That would be irresponsible on our part. Well, kaya nga siya may abogado. We expected her to do everything to question the proceedings before the Committee on Justice. Kaya nga sabi namin, expected naman na magkakaso siya sa Supreme Court. But we assure the public that we are doing everything that is dictated by the Constitution and by the rules.